Need to find your Tracfone number? There are two main methods: checking your device settings and using shortcodes. For device settings on Android phones, go to Settings, About Phone, Status, or Phone Identity. On iPhones, go to Settings, General, About, Phone Number. This works offline and is the easiest way to find your number on Tracfone branded devices. Alternatively, use shortcodes. For Verizon-backed Tracphones, dial 1 or #BL and press send to hear your number. AT&T Tracfone users can dial 25# for a text response. Keep in mind that shortcodes require a signal and accuracy depends on your SIM's carrier. Another way to find your Tracfone number is by checking the SIM card. The number may be printed on the SIM card packaging or the card itself. Remove the SIM and inspect it closely. Also, with the rise of eSIMs, Tracfone's app has added features like account linking for number verification. This approach is increasingly relevant as Tracfone devices gain access to faster speeds and better coverage on Verizon's 5G network. Regardless of which method you use, remember that your Tracfone number is tied to the SIM. Swapping SIMs changes the number unless you transfer it. By 2027, experts predict 40% of Tracfone activations will use eSIMs, so stay updated with these digital trends.